Kahalayim La Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. What you see right here is don't pay attention to that middle, to the wall, the middle letter. The alpha is what's what I'm going to focus on. It says untranslatable mark of the accusative. Mark of accusative. Let's see. First, let's see if it's in that. Accusative. Let's find out what that is. Man, didn't get it. Accusative. Doesn't give anything. Good description. Generally, where form from the accusative case of a Latin word. Alright, let's see what it says on the regular Google search. Relating to or denoting a case of nouns, pronouns, and adjectives that express the objective of action or goal of motion. Alright, so that was better. Because there's a goal behind that. That's what I wanted to get. The accusative mark. Untranslatable because Esau or the whoever started translating this, those Yiddish Jews, perhaps, they don't want you to find Yahushua in the scriptures, which I'm going to show you that he's right here. And then I'm going to show you where he's at exactly in the scripture. The author with Mac, it's a mark, right? Mark of the accusative. Let's go back to what it tells you it is. It's a goal, the action, the object of an action or goal. So the action is what is I'm gonna just tell you right now, it's the alpha and the omega, right? So you can understand the first and the last. It's the action. The action is a sacrifice that Yahushua made, starting with the Passover, and then we're gonna have a second Exodus, which that's a big action. Okay, now let's go to. Let me show you where it's at. All right, bear with me while I find them. Okay, let's see. No, it's Nehemiah. You know what? I think it's better if I do that. Here we go. And he is located right here. Let me read it to you. Wa ya Aisha Lahayim Atha. That is where it says it pops up right there. and made, because Wa is and, He, Aisha, Al-Hayim, that's a plural word for God, and this is Yahushai. Boom. But if they allowed you to understand it, like just like if you had the fullest confidence in them to translate it, then they should have take the full responsibility to translate it right. But they didn't. Right here it is untranslatable, but I'm translating it for you right now. The first and the last, the Atha. Now let's see. Cletus. Let me make sure all the words are spelled correctly. It's not giving me anything good. I don't know how to work that one, but it has some good stuff in it, and this is running a little bit longer than I expected it to. This is what I'm going to talk about tomorrow. I'm going out there. Alright, Revelation 1:8. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the ending, said the Lord, which is, and which was, and which is to come, the Almighty. Oops, that's another one. Let's go back to the symbol. Right. Right here. Because the is the first and the Tha is the last. And if you want to put it into perspective of what does it have to do with the Greek Alpha and Omega, the Alpha is the first letter and the Omega is the last letter. And with that, I'm going to say Shalom, say special thanks to the brothers of GMS, starting with the elder apostles of Israel, of all Israel. Peace and Shalom.